Have you ever paused to wonder how your smartphone predicts your next word, or how your washing machine knows just the right amount of water to use for your laundry load? The secret lies in a fascinating concept known as fuzzy logic, a critical component in the world of artificial intelligence. Fuzzy logic, contrary to what the name suggests, doesn't signify confusion or ambiguity. Instead, it's a form of logic that deals with reasoning that is approximate rather than precisely fixed or exact. Traditional binary logic, with its black and white, yes or no, true or false approach, often falls short in the face of real-world complexities. That's where fuzzy logic steps in, embracing the shades of gray that lie between absolute truths and falsehoods. At the heart of fuzzy logic are fuzzy sets. Unlike classical sets, where an item either belongs or doesn't, fuzzy sets allow degrees of membership. Picture a group of people. In a classical set, you'd categorize them as either tall or short, but with a fuzzy set, you could have people who are somewhat tall or more or less short. There's no hard boundary, just a gradual transition, mirroring the fluidity of the real world. Then there's the concept of linguistic variables. These are variables whose values are words or sentences. For example, the variable temperature might have a value like warm or cool. Fuzzy logic takes these subjective terms, applies a degree of truth, and converts them into a language that machines can understand. Next, we have the fuzzification and defuzzification processes. Fuzzification is the process of transforming crisp input, like a precise temperature reading, into fuzzy values. Defuzzification is the reverse, converting fuzzy output back into a crisp value. These processes allow for a seamless interaction between the fuzzy logic system and the real world. Fuzzy logic systems also make use of inference rules. These rules, defined by experts, are the core of the decision-making process. They connect the fuzzy input with the fuzzy output, like, if the room is warm, then turn the fan on. Finally, we have fuzzy controllers. These are the brains behind the operation, applying the fuzzy rules to the inputs and leading the system to its desired output. To recap, fuzzy logic is a form of logic that deals with reasoning that is approximate rather than fixed. It uses fuzzy sets that allow degrees of membership, linguistic variables that translate our language into a form machines can understand, fuzzification and defuzzification processes that bridge the gap between fuzzy logic and the real world, inference rules that drive the decision-making process, and fuzzy controllers that oversee the entire operation. Fuzzy logic is not just a fascinating concept. It's a tool that's shaping our world, making our machines smarter and our lives easier. So the next time your smartphone predicts your next word or your washing machine selects the perfect wash cycle, remember, it's all thanks to the magic of fuzzy logic.